Yes, guys, we are on part 5. Thanks for being with us until this stage. So, guys, we did put the image, you remember, in part 4. So, that's the way the image thing works. So, now we put the image here. So, our post is 100%. So, we can come here and we refresh here. Once we refresh, let's go to refresh. Yes, this is what we see. We can see this post we didn't put and the post we did put. So this post is under PHP. If you click on it, it's gonna open and show you everything, how it goes. So anyway, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're gonna do a couple of things. We wanna go to posts again, and we delete this guy because we don't want him. So we put him to trash. And yeah, we now have only one post. If we go to our website here, we can only see one post. And yeah, this we click here, we only see one post. There's no other posts. Okay, yeah guys, so we can create another post. Go to dashboard, and we go to post, say add post. Yes, we can find some stuff here. I did create a couple of them. So also this is PHP. We will put the same image. We copy this and we put in the title here, and we come back here. This is just a copy and paste. Okay, we put this. Paste in here. Okay, then we click here, see colors, click here, see advanced. Then what we want to do here is to click on settings, click back on settings, can see something we want to do. So document, yes, then when you click on document, that's where you're gonna go to get the pictures. You click here. Since we already have the picture, we can use the same picture. Click on that picture, then we can put PHP, and you select, then you can publish. Yes, if it's there, then we can go here to the site and refresh. Now we can see we have 2 posts on our website. Okay guys, that's so awesome also, but there's some couple of plugins we need to install, guys. So I think that we're gonna see it in part 6, how to install plugins and how do they play their part in our website. So we go back here and we on our WordPress. So we go to category here and we look into, we have PHP, Java. So what we do, we want to do what? Wanna go to this and change it. Instead of deleting it, we're gonna make it to be Java. Now we did put Java, we can put MySQL, and yes, because also we have some posts about MySQL, we also put this MySQL. Then we update this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. In part 5, we're gonna show you how to install new plugins and how to use them. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our content so that we grow, guys. So if you have anything you want to ask, you can comment in the comment box below, and let us know what you would like us to help you with, or what you didn't understand. We can repeat ourselves, so that our goal is to make you like learn exactly what you're looking for.